Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So we have great news, super excited. It's Friday and the shop gave us a call and they said that the block and heads are ready. So we're gonna head on out, pick those up, and we're gonna take you guys for the ride. Hey guys, so we're back. So we have everything in the car. Time to get this stuff unloaded. The heads look great, crank looks great, engine looks awesome. So we're gonna take a good look at them here in a second. Gonna get this camera mounted up in a stand and try to muscle all these parts off the car. Alright guys, and we're back. So today is actually Christmas Eve. I ended up taking a 2-day break because I have a couple things going on for the holiday. So what we're going to do today is actually continue where we left off, and that was unpackaging everything that we got back from the shop. So I actually haven't had a chance to take a look at it, and I didn't want to open it without having this on camera, you know, any weird things going on. I want to catch all that, first reactions and all that stuff. So my brother is actually not here. He's been out for a couple days, so I'm going to be doing this by myself. What I would really like to do, and I think it's going to be somewhat difficult unless I get the hoist out, is I want to get the block back on the engine stand so I can start degreasing it, and I want to get it nice and painted. So I know that the shop, they had actually they sprayed oil and stuff on it just so it wouldn't rust, and so I'm going to have to take all of that back off. And we're gonna continue. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's go ahead and take a look at that crank. So I think what I'm gonna do is actually set the camera down because I definitely don't wanna drop this or anything bad to happen. So we'll sit you guys right here for a split second while I get that out. There it is, guys. So this is definitely the cleanest part. This looks amazing. Can't wait to get this back in. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside and continue unwrapping everything. It's like an early Christmas over here. All right, and then for the heads over here, so here's both of them. Those came out looking super clean too. There's a little bit of gunk here and there, but nothing too crazy. So there's the top side of the first one. Moving over to the second one. So yeah. So like I said, everything looks super clean. What I'm probably gonna end up doing is hitting these with like a wire brush or something just to get some of this like rough surface off of it and get them really nice and clean. So I'm not gonna do anything crazy. We're not gonna paint them. We're not gonna do anything like that. We're just gonna keep them, I guess just keep like the raw material. So and then on the underside, this is where you can see the biggest difference. So they came out looking awesome. They look great. So there's a little bit of stuff here and there, and like I said, I'm probably gonna take like a Dremel or some sort of like wire brush and try to clean that out. Everything else looks super good. And this one over here also looks great, but aside from that, they managed to take out that stud. So we're all set there, and super happy about it. Just gonna have to order new studs, and I was going to anyway, so that should be all taken care of. As for the rest of the car, I ended up placing my first order through Summit Racing. I'm gonna turn the camera around. It's getting a little cold in here. So for my first order, I actually ended up ordering a oil pan. So the stock LQ4 oil pan hits that sway bar, so we can't use it. I ended up ordering an aftermarket one. Supposedly it should clear the sway bar. It's a little bit shorter in height. I checked out the dimensions and it should work. If it doesn't end up working, we're gonna have to use a oil pan from a GTO. So, and we're gonna have to notch a section out of it. So I think this will work. Like I said, based on the measurements, it should work. And if it doesn't, we have a backup plan. So that was on the shopping list. I also ordered an LS2 chain, so that's all taken care of. I ordered new lifters, new trays, so those are LS7 spec. And I also ordered a set of connecting rods. So we have our rods already. Well, I don't physically have them yet, but they're shipped. So I ordered those with ARP bolts. Those are good for, I think, 1,300 horsepower. And that was pretty much it for that first order. For the second order that I'm lining up right now, we're gonna be ordering a ball hone just to hone all of the bores, and calipers, set of calipers, set of or a micrometer, so we can get our measurements for our bearings. What else? Oh, and the cam. So figured out the cam. So we're actually gonna go with a 228R. So yeah, guys, I think that's pretty much it for today. I don't think I'm gonna get that block on the stand. It's getting way too cold out right now. I just wanna give you guys a quick update. Make sure that, you know, we're posting those videos every Tuesday as promised. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We'll see you guys next Tuesday. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also be sure to follow our Instagram. Thank you, guys.